Welcome back to the Architecture Channel, where timeless design meets heartfelt storytelling. Today, we step into a world where history and innovation exist in perfect harmony. Inspired by the elegance of Paris, this Parisian architecture house redefines luxury by blending classic charm with a distinctly modern soul. It is not simply a home, it is an experience shaped by artistry, proportion, and poetic detail. Parisian architecture has long symbolized refinement and balance, drawing influence from the grand façades commissioned during the era of Georges-Eugène Haussmann. Tall windows, wrought-iron balconies, limestone exteriors, and symmetrical proportions define this iconic aesthetic. In this home, those traditional elements are thoughtfully preserved, allowing history to breathe through every cornice, molding, and carefully restored architectural detail. From the moment you approach the exterior, the house makes a quiet yet powerful statement. Creamy stone walls glow under natural light, while black iron railings trace delicate patterns across tall French windows. The entrance door, framed by subtle carvings and classical pilasters, invites you into a space where old-world sophistication meets contemporary comfort. One of the most captivating aspects of this home is its perfect sense of proportion. High ceilings create vertical drama, while herringbone wood floors ground the interiors with warmth. Decorative wall panels, ceiling medallions, and intricate moldings nod to tradition, yet the furnishings introduce clean silhouettes that feel effortlessly current and refined. The living room embodies understated luxury. Neutral linen sofas, antique-inspired mirrors, and a marble fireplace form a timeless foundation. Modern lighting fixtures, with sculptural brass lines and soft ambient glow, contrast beautifully against classic wall detailing. This thoughtful layering creates depth, honoring heritage while embracing the clarity of modern design. In the kitchen, the transformation becomes even more striking. Traditional cabinetry with ornate trim stands beside sleek marble countertops and minimalist hardware. Integrated appliances maintain visual harmony, allowing craftsmanship to remain the focal point. The color palette, soft whites, muted grays, and warm wood, feels refined, calm, and undeniably Parisian. The dining area balances romance and restraint. A long wooden table anchors the room beneath a statement chandelier, reminiscent of classic European salons. Contemporary dining chairs with tailored upholstery soften the formality, proving that classic architecture can gracefully host modern living and intimate gatherings alike. The bedroom continues the story of gentle contrast. Ornamental ceiling details and tall windows set the historical tone, while layered textiles, washed linen bedding, velvet cushions, and textured throws introduce tactile comfort. The atmosphere feels serene, curated, and deeply personal, like a sanctuary nestled within the rhythm of the city. Bathrooms in Parisian-inspired homes often celebrate marble and light. Here, veined stone surfaces reflect daylight from oversized windows, enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. Vintage-style fixtures pair seamlessly with frameless glass showers and minimalist vanities, illustrating how classical materials can coexist beautifully with modern function. Natural light plays a central role in defining the home's character. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood each room with golden illumination, accentuating architectural details and soft color palettes. The changing light throughout the day transforms the interiors, creating a dynamic interplay between shadow and ornamentation. every decorative element feels intentional. Antique frames, curated artwork, and sculptural accents are layered thoughtfully without overwhelming the space. Rather than excess, luxury here is defined by restraint and authenticity. Each object contributes to a narrative that respects craftsmanship and timeless beauty. Behind the classical facade lies advanced comfort. Smart lighting systems, discrete climate control, and contemporary insulation technologies ensure effortless living. This harmonious integration allows residents to enjoy the romance of historical architecture without sacrificing the ease of modern convenience. What makes this Parisian architecture house truly remarkable is not only its visual appeal, but its emotional resonance. The combination of aged textures and contemporary lines creates a sense of continuity, past meeting present. It embodies the spirit of Paris, intellectual, artistic, and unapologetically elegant. Luxury here is not loud or ostentatious. It is expressed through craftsmanship, quality materials, and thoughtful design choices. By preserving original architectural details while introducing modern simplicity, the home redefines what it means to live beautifully. It proves that elegance is timeless when rooted in authenticity. As we conclude this tour, we are reminded that true luxury lies in harmony. This Parisian architecture house captures the grace of tradition and the clarity of contemporary design, merging them into a soulful living environment. It stands as a testament to the enduring influence of Parisian style, where history whispers through every wall, and modern life unfolds with effortless sophistication.